Hey guys, in this video I will quickly show you that how I draw a fashion figure from the reference pictures. So I shall draw a 10 head croquis, that means one head equals to 1 inch. So using this scale I have drawn a vertical line up to 10 inch at the center of this paper. Here you can see the measurement chart, which is very important. You can take a screenshot, and these are the measurements which I follow in my illustrations. And you can see that I'm putting all these points on this vertical line here. So guys, let's look at this picture. You can see that how the shoulder slope is and how the waist is curved at one point. So these lines will help us to draw the figure properly, and by observing the picture you can just do some imaginary lines by yourself on the picture and later depict the same thing on your illustration as well, which will help you to bend the body, the illustration, very properly. So you can see in the reference picture that how I'm putting the three slopes here at the shoulder, at the waist and at the knees. So guys, half of your work is done here. Putting the points nicely is the major part. So all you have to do now is to build up the figure, and the best thing is here how you observe. But when we take the measurements properly, it's not a very difficult job to just go step by step and draw the figure properly. So yes, putting the measurements and giving the slopes is the first part here which you need to do properly, and after that it becomes very easy to develop the sketch later on. So guys, this is how I draw most of the pencil figures on my YouTube tutorials, and I don't really show the drawing part because that just makes the video more lengthy. And I also prefer using a mechanical pencil with an eraser on its back because that just makes the work more easy. Always use a scale to make your hands at equal position, or if there is any bend at the hand, do it properly, because that really makes a difference in your sketches when your figure is done properly. So guys, you can see that drawing the figure is not like a very easy thing. You have to just understand every proportion and every detail very nicely, but if you go step by step, it's a very easy method, and you just need to understand the folds and the figure and the bends at the figure, like the position of the knees and the hands and the elbows. So if you study the picture nicely and use this method which I have shown here, I think it will be more easy for you. So yes, do try this technique by yourself. So once you are satisfied with the pencil work, you can build up the intensity and you can go and do the other details, like the jewelries or the folds on the garments or any other extra detailing, whichever you have to do. And guys, a very important thing is that if you are not very good with drawing the face, I will recommend you to skip drawing the face. I mean, you can keep it blank, or you can do any artistic style to give your own touch to your face or the hands or anything. So it's up to you. It's not a very necessary thing that you have to do the face, so you can skip doing the face if you are not very good, and you can just add whatever other detailing or any other your own signature touch here. So sometimes I like adding just the lips or giving a light stroke just at the point of my eyes, and you can do some plain rendering on your hair and your hands, but yes, we will do that with the colors later on. So guys, I hope you understood this method well, and it's a very easy method and a very time saving approach to quickly draw our figures before we start the rendering part. Also, fashion illustration is all about individual style, so you can definitely follow this method, but you can also add your own signature style to your sketches. Whatever you are taking as reference picture, you don't need to copy it exactly or to just use the exact measurements. Sometimes you can definitely add your own structure to the illustration. Also guys, you can use your pencil to draw some fold lines, especially at the areas of extreme folds, just some outline which will later help you. I mean, they will guide you to give your colors more nicely. If like you are using watercolor or brush markers, then it will guide you to put your strokes properly. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will show the coloring part, I mean the rendering part, in my next video. So stay tuned and do practice this method by yourself. Take any reference picture, but if you want to take the reference picture which I have used, the link is given down in the description. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all soon. Till then, take care.